What's going on YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all a follow-up video of Link. Our second target has been hit, and hopefully you guys, not listening to me as financial advice, but hopefully you guys were laddering into this fear, because we've gotten a really nice bounce off some of the key areas we were looking at. We were looking at 892 was an accumulation spot, and then down around this 200 moving average, which was at $8.01. That was another spot. And what you can see out of this now, we had a bullish engulfing candle, and it came on heavier volume. So this may be the bottom of this downtrend that we had been dealing with all the way since we had those tweezer tops around the middle of August 16th. So for me, I was laddering in all around this area, and I told you I had a target for my first target in terms of taking profit would be up around $12.77. We're not there yet. Right now, what I want to do is patiently wait, because this was a really strong move on a bullish engulfing candle, heavier volume. What I want to see is if we come down and set a higher low and then potentially get that next push to the upside. But for me, I had an average of about $8.60. Right now, we're sitting at 10.07. So it's been a positive trade, and this is what I like to do, guys. You know, a lot of people will throw their money in at one spot and say, all right, I'm going all in right now. I really think in this space, because of how volatile it is, averaging into positions or laddering into positions and then laddering out of positions is the way to go. So right now, since we had our average down in this area, for me, once we hit this $12.77 down the road here, that'd be my first take profit area of 25%. Then I'd look up around $13.92 to get rid of a little bit more, and then at the next area $16.56, and that's how I like to work it out. And then I'd at least have 25% of my position in case things get crazy and we start pumping really hard. That's what I like to do, because guys, in this space, that in just one day you can look at swings of roughly, let me see here, we're going to get our price range tool out for you just to show you an example. So this was in one day, we ended up going down 26%. So you can pump over 26% a day, and you can fall over 26% a day. So that's why you never want to put your money in one spot. You really want to average. And that's what I did. As soon as we started to hit this 892, I started to buy a little bit more, and then we hit that 200, and that was my big buy right in there. We got a bullish engulfing candle, and now we're patiently waiting to see if we can change this downtrend and get this moving. This first nice bullish pump to the upside, impulse wave to the upside, come down, set a higher low, see if we can get another one moving to the upside. Then that's what I like to look for, guys, in this space, and I think it's the most effective. Now, if we get into the technicals here, I want to show you this. We're getting a little bit more neutral here. 9 sell, 9 neutral, 10 buy, oscillators, 1 sell, 8 neutral, and a 2 buy is what we're looking at there. If we get into a few indicators, one I like to really pay a lot of attention to is our relative strength index. RSI is at 44, so if we do get this moving here, we can really get running here, some more volume. We have plenty of room to run to the upside. Last time our RSI got almost around 90, and with us being at 44 here, we would have plenty of room to go up there and potentially test that all-time high that we had down the road in the days, weeks, and months to come. That's what I'm going to be looking at here. Next, we're going to be looking at the stochastic. You can remember this is all on the one-day time frame. And also, if you guys get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll always try to do the best we can for you. So in terms of the stock, we're at 87 and 57 right now. We had that nice bullish cross right here with our bullish engulfing candle on heavy volume. That's what you want to see right there, just continuously moving to the upside, or getting a little selling pressure right now, and that is correlating with our 20 EMA, and that's going to be in red, and then we have our 50 in green acting as overhead resistance, and that's going to be at 1143. In terms of support, we're trying to stay up above 1021, and that's going to be our 100 moving average, and then our 200 moving average is at that 801 right now. If we get into another indicator, we're going to just look at a few more here. We're going to go into our MACD. We are potentially getting a bullish MACD cross for Link right there, so I want to pay attention to that. We have not had a bullish MACD cross since August 2nd, so I do think that's significant if we can keep this histogram moving to the upside here and get this cross. So if you guys get some from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.